A very good day to all of you folks. Welcome. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back. My name is Obake. On this channel, I bring you lifestyle vlogs based on my miscellaneous daily experiences. I hope you enjoy my content. If you do, I would really appreciate if you subscribe. And if you don't, oh well, please indulge in any case. Subscription is free, by the way, and your indulgence helps me keep creating more content. Please like the video and hit the notification bell to stay updated for when I upload new videos. Now, take a look at this. We're back in Joburg. Hi everyone, welcome to a new vlog. Your phone holder is not make sure. I'm sure it can fall anytime. So if it falls, we continue with the talking. Ne? Okay guys, welcome to a start of a new vlog. I am on my way to meet up with my friend. We have got a spa date. She is treating me. Ne? Thank you. So she did say that the place is around Fourways. Our treatment is scheduled for 9 o'clock. We will make it. I'm looking at the time. It's just a few minutes after 8 o'clock. We agreed to meet up at 20 past 8. Right now it's 8 minutes past 8. Yeah, I think I'll make 20 past 8. Also guys, I did try to make an intro at home, but Little Human was all over my video, so that will not work. I also showed you my outfit, so I will insert that clip of my outfit right now. I wanted to show you guys my outfit. I was actually just gonna show you my outfit, then there's a angle where I can show you my outfit for the day. Yeah, so this is me. I'm carrying this bag. The time right now is 8:16. Guys, kukhona JMPD up. Oh my goodness. So if I don't make it to go 20 past, I'm so close though. If I don't make it to go 20 past, we're blaming JMPD. It is not me. JMPD. Yabona ngoku jonga. Diamba like dimile. Xesha liyahamba ke lona ke sana. Alilindanga londo. Okay, fine, let's see. Oh guys, JMPD guys, we're checking for e license disc ukubana is it in good standing na I got expire. So yeah, andidlulile ngoko. I'm gonna be 5 minutes late, and lowana uyathanda ukubamba ixesha. It's because of JMPD that I'm late. Bandimise 12 minutes yonke. 3 minutes. Guys, we are here now. We first got lost, so we are a bit late, obviously for a session that starts at 9. But anyway, yeah, we've just parked. Siyongena ngoku. Vlog guys is gonna be all over because we're a bit late, so we are being rushed. But there's my juice. Which side? Okay,
guys, you both are welcome to Unrush. My name is Mark. What you're gonna take off your clothes. You can hang it at the back. We do have the coat hangers. And then your bags, your belongings, you can put it under the table there in the monkey. Put on the gown. When you're done, we are outside. Please call us.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. How long is our session, ma'am?
It's an hour. And 30 minutes for our
Okay. Guys, I am driving back home now. The time right now is 12 o'clock. We finished I think 11, so it was a 2-hour session. We did facial, foot scrub, back massage, full body massage. The massage was great. We had great time. Those ladies shema bebe senza ba nice. Oh kodwa sincokolile she. But yeah guys, let me go home, let me go to Little Human. I promised him ubananza musa a shop Buya, because when I was leaving he asked if he could go with me and I said no. So now let me go fulfill leyo promise bendiyenzile. I know where I'm gonna take him. I'm gonna take him to Chinatown. There's a toy store there. Isn't toys is cheap. Like you can even get something for 15 rands if I'm okay. But yeah, for him, he's going to be very excited about that. Okay, I've made it to China Mall, guys. Sojonga itoy ke ngoku. Huh? Ngena ke.
Chase!
Ufuna ntoni? Ufuna uchase?
No, I was just looking at Chase. Chase looks. Wait, they look like this.
Guys, did you see the price here?
This looks like Chase.
Actually, you can see. So, prices are lapa are not bad if you want to bribe your little one.
That one's only.
Because Genami is a bribe. Ubungathanga ufuna ilendoza.
Mama.
Can I hold Spider-Man for you while you look? Guys, parents here are fighting with the kids. There's another one saying, no animals. Daddy's not going to buy this. Okay, Jonga, this is a puzzle. Can you see, guys? 20 rands. So I don't mind bringing him here just for, put a smile on his face.
Let
Let me see. So we're taking that one. Okay. But I like the robot. But I'm in 60 rand. You said 60. Or at least this one that is taking is cheaper. It's 40. Yeah. Let's go with his choice. Okay, let's go, Nana. I didn't clean my camera. Let's go. Good morning, guys. It is early in the morning. It is 7:13. I am preparing to go to the gym. It is a Sunday morning. But I wanted to show you this first before I go to the gym. So last night, which was Saturday night, I received this package. This came via Uber. Is it Uber delivery? I don't know, I've never really used it, but I think it's Uber delivery. So it was not your courier kind of a delivery, but it was an Uber delivery. I don't know if it's called that, né? And I did not open it. But as you can see, guys, this Woolworths bag, it was stapled. Can you see the staples? Yeah. So I just opened that and I saw Ukubana, it is a gift. Or rather, it is in a gift bag. Because why am I saying it's a gift? But I think there was a message. Yeah, I think that's why you see it's a gift, because bekukhona iphepha elincinci apha nani. There was this small note. It says, no. Oh no, sorry. This is the address. Sorry. Here, this one. This one. I'm gonna try and block out the name. I don't like exposing people's names. So, come on, Suka wena. If you just have this thing and stop it. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Hopefully, there's one, guys. Yeah, well, E.T. happy belated birthday. Guys, if voice time, I'll say early in the morning, deep, and it says, my usual, you know. Okay, cool. So, didn't I pull it because another man do it. Yeah, but now it's deeply sure. So, I wanted to do this unboxing app. Yo, I deeply stronger. She wanted to make sure. Oh my God, okay, I already see. Okay, wait, there's two things. There's this bag, and there's a coffee grinder. Hey, there's a coffee grinder. I get a coffee grinder. Wait, I need to open this. Oh, I hope you guys can see it. Sorry, I'm just gonna. This is an unboxing, so I'm just opening without even. Oh, this is nice and big. Wow. And wait. Okay, guys. I'm still disabled. Okay. Oh, so the coffee beans will go in here. And then Ivan. Wait. Okay. This is where you look. Come on. You know. Hey, when people know why you love your coffee. Okay, I answer you. Okay, this one is electricity. This one, yeah, it doesn't. You can't charge this one. It doesn't use batteries. It strictly uses electricity. And also, for those of you that already know when I've got a grinder, this is so much better. This is so big. I'm gonna show you guys. I don't want to compare, but I just want to show you, this is definitely an upgrade. This is definitely an upgrade. This is the one that I have. Look how small it is. Can you see? Oh, there's coffee in here. Okay, guys, can you see how small this one is? So this is definitely an upgrade. I've been upgraded. I love it for me, guys. Also, can you see that? Guys, come on. Yeah, well, okay, my sister said it because it's not part of the deal. So I just say this is a definite upgrade. I love it. In Kulu, this will accommodate even the entire family. And yes, we do buy beans, but we're running low on beans. So yes, she knows I love coffee. And then let's say this is a Foschini bag. I'm getting a bag. Okay, so this is a Foschini. No man. Now I'm saying it's like I knew. Yeah. Okay, guys. In my life, I only have 2 sling bags. But it's a crossbody. I call it sling bag. The other one, so the one that I have, Umakas is gonna walk out from the room. Lola Magas, I'm gonna play you because they are gonna love Nyangu. Excuse. Oh, YouTube. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. Umakas just walked out of that door. Guys, I was still saying, in my life, currently, I have got 2 sling bags, which some of you call them crossbody bags. I call it sling bag. Asuzo akiwisha about that. The black one that I bought myself, ikukile. Like right now. I'll show you also. Oh, by the way, here's my gym bag because, like I said, I'm on my way to the gym. So my Nance, guys, this is let me see. I hope this one because I'm using the back camera. Like, look at this. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see. Yo, because I'm gonna show you this. But never could kill. So I use this fancy chimney. Yeah, but I'm supposed to send if I can put it that way. The father for a chimney bank also factors into them, especially in a corner planning as well, if I'm not going to create a big one. But say, shall I pack like gym bag and book? So, and then the other one I have is the one that Ubay bought me ages ago. And I've been wanting a sling bag. I don't know how she knew. I don't know how she knew. So I get a small bag. Because I didn't have another one. So I get a small bag. I said cute. Even this color. It's a good thing because I deny what the color. Also, I get this every day. This is strong. Guys, I hope 91. Everyone be sensitive. A back camera. Ube is not coming to the gym with me today. Because this is a gym, so he's tired. Okay, guys. This is the bag. This is the bag. I sent it. On a choice again, I share my guys. One thing about her, on a choice. So this is the inside. This is the inside. It's black again, so at least I will colors in more. I will jump is. Let me just say, I will jump is. I love it. And then you've got this outside pocket here. You've got this outside pocket here. I think a phone, I'm using my phone to record. A phone would fit here as well. But obviously, I don't think it would be ideal to put your phone here because it's facing down. Yeah, well, but unless you're going to have to first lift it up before you pull it. Oh, I love this. I love this. This one is from Foschini. She didn't even remove the price tag. I guess I'm okay. Oh, I love it. Since I remember I'm this one. I'm gonna rock it at church today. Daytona. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me try to move the camera and this is up. I need one. Okay, now okay, guys. I hope I really. Okay, I hope you guys can see. So this is the bag. Oh, Sana. I love it. Inside. Yes. I think I've shown you guys everything. And then it has this fushini. And that's the yeah. Whatever you call it. So yeah, I'm gonna wear this today. Let me go. Actually, let me just say, okay, right now I'm Jimini. I think I'm gonna leave this mess. It's 23 minutes past now. Okay, I'm gonna clean this mess quickly. So coffee grinder goes there, and then that small tiny one goes in the cupboard. And then I'm gonna put this nicely because it's gonna be part of my outfit for today. I'm gonna try to show you guys my outfit for today. Even if I don't do a video, what I'll do is I'll take a picture and then I can just put the picture up on the side. With this bag. And guys, but I'm gonna make sure that this bag is part of the outfit. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a picture so that you guys can see that this is part of the outfit. And then what I'll do is I'll take a picture and send her. Oh, thank you, Marcus. What a surprise! Months after my birthday, and then I get this beautiful surprise. Like I wasn't expecting it at all. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, and this is what she kept on asking me, Bana. Well, not kept on. She asked me, Bandi. I think she called. I couldn't answer because I was driving. We were up and down Obey is all. And then eventually when I got home, then I texted her, Bana, I'm home. I think within 10 minutes, 20 minutes, I couldn't drive a pandle, Bana, okay, delivery. Okay, delivery, ebusuku. But anyway, Daya, and then, wow, I couldn't even open it last night because I was like, I need to unbox this from the camera, capture this moment. But yeah, guys, this is me. This is me. I'll see you later, guys. Bye. Good morning, everyone. It is a Sunday morning. The time right now is 9:21. Just came back from the gym. First, I'm gonna make coffee for Bay and myself. I'm gonna use this one today. I'm gonna use this I got this one yesterday and I used 2 from here. I'm gonna use this. We've been using this. I can't even remember, but I know the white one is yet there we go, it is exposing itself. But anyway, I bought this one yesterday and this is what I'm having. So I'm gonna have coffee. I'm gonna make coffee for the 2 of us, and then I am starting to cook already. Ngamanzi la, okay, the stove is already on. Ngizokwenza umbona, sweet corn and broccoli ne chicken. I'll show you guys the end product, but I'm not gonna cook with you. But anyway, so this is me. I'm starting the cooking process. I'm gonna steam the broccoli. I'm not sure if, I think I might grill or steam this one as well, because I'm gonna grill the chicken, so I'm not sure yet. We've got church, so I wanna cook before we go to church. Church starts at 11, so hopefully I've got an hour, because it's 9:30. So yeah, 10:30 we must be out of here. Hopefully I'll be done by then. Let me get busy so that ndingawaste ixesha. Decided to steam the sweet corn. Okay guys, outfit check. So I'm wearing my denim skirt and that's from Amish, my sister, a bodysuit from Mr. Price, a crop shirt. I got this from Gems, and the shoes are from Old Kaki, and the bag. Okay, the bag is from Maga's Garlicky Human. It was a birthday gift. So this is my outfit for the day. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this bag. Ooh. Okay, let's just do it this way for now. Let's do it. Okay guys, this is my church outfit of the day. Okay guys, we're off to church. I'm done with sweet corn and broccoli. I've steamed both of them and I'm happy with that. There is some leftover veggies in the fridge, so I think sometimes I just want to plate in the one doesn't pack. But then when I come back from church, I'm just gonna grill the chicken, we eat and we're good. We are back from church. I am back at cooking. I'm just going to take this chicken. This is the chicken I boiled earlier. I'm just going to take it to the oven. I'm done cooking. There's my sweet corn, steamed broccoli. There's gomenge cling wrap. Oh, and then there's my chicken. Then dafaka barbecue sauce. And then appa is sweet potato leftovers. And then appa we've got a mixed veg namazambane leftovers. So what I'll do is ngizofaka zokongeza as veg kwi-plate yam, and then I think wonke umuntu uzohlutha. So yeah, guys, I'm here to close off the vlog. I wanted to thank you so much for watching my video, for liking those who've already liked. If you have not liked, please do like the video. Thank you so much for the subscribers, and if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel so that you don't miss the next video. And thank you for commenting. To those who've commented, if you have not yet commented, please drop a heart on the comment section down below. Don't ask me why. Actually, I know why I'm speaking too fast, because I wanted, by the time the robot opens, I am done with this outro. And guess what? The robot has opened and I'm not done. But guys, man, you get it. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, you guys take care. I love you so much. Mwah.